Righto, my car's got to run today and I still got to finish putting the motor in it and doing some ignition leads and stuff, so stick around, stay tuned, it's going to be sick. God sakes, there's a car there. You see that? Fell over. Look at my hair. Look at this, I promised myself I can't get a haircut or shave until I get my car going, so I'm getting a bit out of control. Hey Cody. Cody, what do you think? You look like a mong. Are we allowed to, can we say that? Yes. Online and that? Yeah. Well, anyway, alright, so I suppose I'll put this one on YouTube too. Now fire up old Mr.Mullet. Look at all this shit all over, I've got to clean her up. Yeah, anyway, let's get into it. This episode is proudly brought to you by Coffs Performance Tuning, Redpoint Oil, Ben & Subbies Mechanical Repairs, and Bigguy Performance Parts. If you get on Bigguy Performance Parts website and put in my product code MULLET in the checkout, there's 10% off Aeroflow, Turbo Smart, Raceworks and Track My Rod products. So if you want a discount, go over there and put in my product code MULLET. There's like a thingy on the screen. Go put that in and buy it and it'll be sick. Anyway, on to the video. Well, I'm hanging out with strippers today. Where's my new bloody light I've got a review for bloody Napa that Dad stole? So my friends at Napa have given me some of their products in like Napa Coffs Harbour. So I've got Luke brought down some of this, and yes, Luke, that was a shout out. And this, and also they gave me a new head torch, but Dad stole the bloody thing, so I don't get to see what it's like. You might see it later. I'm going to find it. We're going to put it on the charge. You might see my my new head torch a bit later. But we got cleaner and degreaser, so that's degreaser in other words, and carby clean. They also gave me a thing of brake clean, but I used it. And also they gave me a new oil filter for it too, a Napa oil filter. So we're going to see how they go. I've got to do a no bullshit review on this, so look at this shit fight. You think I'd clean it up, wouldn't you? Look. Am I going to reuse a gasket? Yes. Do I care what anyone thinks? No. I'm sure I'm going to find out what everyone thinks anyway, because I always do. Get you drunk. Get you drunk. You think I'd clean all the oil off this from when it blew up last time? Look at it. You see all my leaks. Yeah, I reckon this is a perfect opportunity to use my Napa degreaser. What you gonna do with all that junk inside that trunk? I was singing. It's art. You wouldn't understand. You know what I reckon? I am not going to drink enough water today and I'm going to end up with a headache. So what happens with this car? You should rename it from like Mr.Mullet to Mr. Dehydration. Because I forget to drink when I work on it because I'm always in a hurry. We rename it Sleepless because I never get the friggin' sleep over the bloody thing. I was going to be up wondering if I'm ever going to get it going again. Yeah, Katie, I don't know how long this video is going to go for. Yeah, I know my videos go for too long. Late nights in the middle of June. They've been taking me out. Not me happier now. Life is a highway. I want to ride it all night long. I really wish someone could film me doing all this. I really wish I had some friends that could film me. You know, I used to call engine mountains, like Mount Everest, like mountains, because That's how my dad pronounced it. I thought they were engine mountains. I remember when I was a kid, I wrote it on Facebook, like in a status, and engine mountains. What an idiot. Bloody hell. So far, what I've learnt from the Napa products is that they burn when you get them in a cut, which is always good when you're looking for good quality degreaser, carburetor cleaner and brake clean. Timmy better be loving this. Did you know I got called an influencer last night? I'm an influencer, mate. What? Well, my underpants full of skids. Don't worry. Be happy. No, mate, I'm creating content right now. They think this is content. You wait till they find out what's on my OnlyFans. I'm going to need help. Can you come help me, please? Huh? No, I need help right now. Help! Yeah, no, on your time, mate. It's all good. There's a bolt there near the bloody on top of the head tank. Yep. If you go this one back, you can go top down. Like that. Just wait up. Hang on. The gasket's not right. Okay, go. Oh, thanks, Katie. That was heavy. Oh. No, fucking what? That shouldn't have such a big turbo. Whatever. Our friend Luke also dropped me off an oil filter. Look at this. The old Napa oil filter. Z9. So I'm gonna put it on, see how it goes. Thank you, Luke. Everyone else at Napa there for giving me an oil filter. Do appreciate it. Here we go. Here's a tender topic. Tell me what you think. When I do a new engine like this that currently has no oil in it, I fill me oil filters up. Some people do it every service. But I just do it in times like this because it's already got no friggin' oil, no primed oil either. But people get really antsy about it. I never heard of an engine blowing up or shortening up its life because it's they haven't filled the bloody oil filter with oil. But each to their own. Biggest problem with it is it drops oil everywhere like that. Redpoint for the win. Redpoint also sponsored me a drum of methanol. How exciting. Can't wait to burn that. At this rate, it feels like it's never going to happen. Alright, Mum. We're going to get oil pressure up in this thing now. And Mum's going to be like you don't start it, you just crank it. I'm being cranky. Alright. We haven't got any smoke out of anything yet, so we're good with the wiring. Alright, crank it. No, there is no payroll. Mr.Mullet don't make any money. Contrary to popular belief. Take two. Alright, wind it. Wait. Let's give it a break. Again. Wait. Look at that. I'm good, aren't I? We've got oil pressure. Can assemble an oil pump. Oh. Yeah.
Mum can leave now.
Yeah, you gotta shut the door. You born in a tent? Do you want to be in a video, Shane? No. No.
3 weeks later.
Is my microphone working? So that bloody piece of friggin' video you just saw was from a couple of weeks ago, actually. Since then, I have fully rewired the car. I made my own wiring loom for the engine, and it's fully standalone now, and there's no interference or anything like that. I did have the boys come down and try to get it going, but you know, after I'd done all that work that you watched me do when I put the motor back in, there was a couple of wires that were crossed up and things not working, and it was just a shit fight. So I decided to bugger it. I'll strip all the wiring out of it, and I'll start again and do it all nice and beautiful and properly. And yeah, we got it running today, and it's amazing. It goes. How good is it? Oh, methanol smell in this workshop right now. It smells like Speedway. It's like my favourite smell. It makes me want to cry, actually, because of the fuel in that. Thank you for watching. I'd like to also thank a couple of people now that we got it going. I'd like to thank Bigguy Performance Parts for the fuel system. That, you know, you'll see more on it when I roll it out of the shed. But yeah, for the full fuel system and all the help that bloody big guys, autolic in there, Mitch, he gave me. I've been on the phone to him. He's been helping me out. And I'd also like to thank Brock from Coffs Performance Tuning for the sponsorship and the health tech and all the help and stuff and all the phone calls that I call you with, annoying you at night time and stuff. I do really appreciate it, boys. I also like to thank my mum and dad, well, Ben and Big's mechanical repairs, because this has taken up an unbelievable amount of time, this whole car, and whatnot. I've been having days off and whatever, trying to get it done, and it's good now, and it goes, and thank you, mum and dad. And also I'd like to thank Jasmine, my beautiful de facto at home, pregnant de facto I might add. So while she's been at home looking after one baby and being pregnant with the other, I've been here fart ass around with my motor car, and it's, you know, probably not the best thing for me to do, but yeah, well, she loves me. And yeah, thank you. Goodbye.